Hi, Spro Pro Dean Rojas here, and I want to talk to you about our brand new frog for 2010. It's called the King Daddy. Look at that. Double 6/0. The bait weighs almost an ounce compared to the regular bronzeye, the regular 65 and the 60, which are about 5/8 to about 3/4 on the regular bronzeye. But this is a full ounce. Okay, the body is a lot longer than on a regular bronzeye, but when you need the big bite, this is the bait you're going to need to go to. Okay, again, a double 6/0 hook, and we have the same style as we do on the regular bronzeye. The bait itself walks even better than the bronzeye, just because it's nice and long. You get a lot of side-to-side action with the bait. It still has the same characteristics as the regular bronzeye. You can still insert rattles in the bottom, or we even have a couple of the colors to where you can customize them to whatever you would like. Same colorful skirts as we have with the regular frog, same eye tie, everything that you need to go out there and catch really big fish with. You know, there's been a lot of times where I've gotten to a really good frog bite and never really had the bait that I needed to catch a really big fish. And now that I have it, there's been a lot of times where you catch, you know, anywhere from 15 to 17 pounds in a tournament, and you're thinking, man, if I just need to get one more bite, one more big bite, you know, I need a bigger frog, a bigger bait to get that bite. And we've been working on this bait now for 2 years to get it right, and now it's ready to come out in 2010 and play on your local lake, and it's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to get to throw this bait in areas that I know that there's a lot of big fish. You know, when we go to Clear Lake or down in Lake Falcon, like Amistad, any of those lakes that harbor really big fish, or even a 4 or 5 pounder that you're going to need. Those are the kind of fish that this bait is going to bring to you. Now, Spro is introducing this bait for 2010 at the ICAST show, and it'll be in our standard 7 colors that we have with our original lineup of the bronzeye when we came out with 5 years ago. We got all your favorites, whether it be the leopard, the rainforest black, natural green, and my favorite, Midnight Walker, and the real red. Okay, now there's 2 other colors that we're building right now that will be in production here shortly, but these are the colors. These are the standard colors, the original 7 that came out when we introduced the bronzeye a few years ago. So we're following that track, and the new colors will come in the next couple years. But for right now, it is the bait. It is the bait that I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to throw it out on the water. Same type tackle you would normally use when you're fishing a regular frog. I use my Signature Series Quantum frog rod made by Quantum, and with a 7-to-1 gear ratio reel, high speed, 65-pound braid test line, and King Daddy. Can't go wrong with that, and you'll have lots of fun throwing the big frog, and hopefully catching big bass.